as you can see, I do have a real-time job going on right now. We'll just put that right there so you can see. I'll pull up my settings. You can see I'm using this user file. My input is my mirror. Let's see, translate. You can see what's selected there. Real time. You can see what's selected there. Let's look at the default speaker list. There it is. No entries on 8 or 9. Nothing in there. Nothing checked. Okay. So now, let's get some speakers in there. Okay, I've paged down. I'm just going through my speakers. Let's do a test, shall we? This is the court. This is attorney 1. Attorney 2. Attorney 3. Whoops. Oopsie. Made a mistake. Attorney 3. Okay. Back to the court. Attorney 1. Attorney 2. Attorney 3. Okay. Still in real time, as you can see. Let's put this down here. Let's go into our speaker list now. Mr. Smith. All. Okay, now we'll just close this. Okay. Mr. Smith was changed. Now let's go in. Oh, before we do that, let's scroll down and let's see. We will write. This is now Mr. Smith. How about that? So far, so good. Oh, I made a mistake. I don't want that being Mr. Smith. Let's turn it back to attorney 2, shall we? All. Just cancel out of there. Attorney 2, attorney 2, attorney 2. Nice. So far, so good. This should be attorney 2. Oh! How is that possible? Let's go back to our speaker list. Oh, look at that. It's done it by itself. Notice this. Notice over here. Same stroke. This is now Mr. Smith. Should be attorney 2. Look at that. Same stroke. Yet it's added this now all on its own. Okay, let's go up here and change. This really should be Mr. Brown. All. Let's make, there we go. All. Oh, look at that. It's telling me I have a dictionary entry, which I never made, which your software has done. Look at that. Uh-oh, Mr. Smith. It didn't overwrite Mr. Smith, though. Let's write our stroke and see if it changed it to Mr. Brown. Oh, look at that. It changed that, but it didn't change Mr. Smith. Why not? So the problem is this nonsense. Your automatic entry of this, which I did not do. Your software did this all on its own. And that concludes our demonstration of a reproducible problem. Automatic dictionary entries that you're doing that no one asked to happen.